to do something.
And eat my wrap.
Right. You match.
Hi guys, my name is Maddie. Go follow my Instagram. Maddie Hartfisher.
Straight in there.
I think.
Okay, this is Maddie, and
Oh, my mum's ringing me. 1 minute.
Hello?
I haven't said what we're doing.
Oh yeah. We're eating food.
Basically gonna do like a mukbang, or how do you say it? Is it, some people,
Bang.
bloody hell. Some people say mukbang, but then others say mukbang. But I don't like mukbang. So I'm gonna say mukbang. And we have Mackies.
I don't even like McDonald's, but you know.
Maddie's, are you vegan or vegetarian?
Vegetarian.
She's been vegan, she's been vegetarian and a meat eater in like the past 2 months.
I'm just trying to work my identity out. Jeez. So let's get on with the video.
Pasta's in that drawer. Pastas. Need that.
Are you actually kidding me? You can tell I don't eat McDonald's.
Right, did you win in rounders?
No.
Who won? Basically, we had a rounders tournament today at school. My farm always loses everything. Like,
Everything.
should I go on Instagram and put in like,
Film a video.
ask questions?
Ask a question. I should do your makeup.
We can do that for another video because if you're eating and doing makeup at the same time.
Yeah.
Actually, I'm gonna put a little bit of concealer under my eyes because it kind of look a little bit sorry about it. Sorry about, stop making mouth noises. Stop! I can't deal with it. I can't deal with it. You know, there's an actual phobia. Like, I read it on Snapchat. whether
She
this is
loves
true.
my mouth noises.
Disgusting. Can't deal with
Honestly.
it.
We're gonna talk about. Sorry, I spat.
Yeah, it landed on my leg. Well, as you know, as I said in the last video, we go to
An all-girls school.
Sorry.
Right.
Yeah, but we go to an all-girls school.
An all-girls school. So we go to an all-girls school basically, and we're going to discuss the problems and the benefits of going to this all-girls school.
But it's not a school project.
School.
So we're going to discuss the problems and the benefits.
I know what we can do. You have a bite, I have a bite, so then we can speak at different times.
I'm saying, like, everyone thinks that going to an all-girls school is really weird. But for us it's not.
Really not.
For us it's normal, isn't it?
We both used to go to mixed schools.
Yeah, I've been to 3 different schools in the past.
She got kicked out of them all.
Not quite. I went to a state school for like 3 months and then my parents didn't like it. So they moved me to a private school and I hated it. I went there for a year and the people were nice, it was just the environment, you know, it just wasn't really fun. Oh yeah, so I went to a private school for a year and I just didn't really like the environment, but now I'm at state school again. How long have I been at this school?
Longer than me.
How long have I been there now?
I
What year am I in now? 10?
think you were joined in like, at the end of year 8, wasn't it?
No,
And then time to live.
start of year 8. No, after me. It's the start of year 8.
Yes.
No, I moved
When did you?
February 27th in year 8. 2 years ago.
How do you remember that?
I don't know.
I moved in on a day. I don't even know what day. Sorry about
There
the.
you go. Ooh, why is it so zoomed in?
Sorry about that little issue. The card ran out. We just had to sort it.
Everyone thinks that going to an all-girls school is really weird. if you're like from an outsider perspective, then you probably would think it's weird. But when I moved from when I moved from like a, what do you call it?
Private. No.
Mixed school to an all-girls school, I didn't find it weird at all. Like I thought I was gonna find it really like strange to not have any boys, but didn't affect me
There's
at
some
all.
girls that just act like boys.
How do I deal with a toxic friend I can't let go of?
I'm not very good in these situations, so
Toxic friend, like, it depends on the situation, but you need to do what makes you happy. And if it means being a little bit, you know, bitchy, then do it. If it's gonna make you happy, then that's what you need to do.
get your friends to shout up.
Probably not the best way, but it's because, well, we're in a situation.
Message them and just be like,
That is disgusting!
that's me.
That stings! You've got to do what makes you happy, so that if that means being a little bit bitchy, then you've got to do it, but like, don't cause
Havoc.
masses of drama because
Just do it between you two.
where it's not needed. If it, I mean, it wouldn't really be needed, but I can't really like say, because it's like, I don't know the situation that you're in, so it's like,
This person is in
what's your dream job?
a traveller, prostitute. I want to be a dive instructor.
Like 4 days ago you wanted to go to China and do Kung Fu.
Yeah, but that's just not a job, that's a hobby for a year.
Nice. I want to be either like a social media influencer
Be a YouTuber.
or a makeup artist. Well, like, I want to be a makeup artist, and then if that doesn't work out, I'll just fall back on like social media. And if that don't work out, then
Quite enjoyed that.
I'll go live on the streets.
I can imagine you being a lawyer. She's quite good at arguing. I'm schnizzle at arguing.
I did want to be a lawyer, and I also wanted to be in the FBI. But I want to stop it. I also wanted to be in the police.
McDonald's
Do
chips
it.
are disgusting.
It's because they're cold. Don't go! Die. Favourite type of food? What's your favourite type of food? Oh, you're proper weird with food, you.
Muesli. I love muesli.
My favourite type of food is definitely a roast dinner.
Yorkshire puddings. We've both got an obsession with Yorkshire puddings.
So good. And mash. Oh my god, mashed potato. Just quite fun. After school plans, college, etc. After I leave school, I want to go to, I can't say what college.
A beauty college.
A college which is like kind of far away from me. And then after that I want to go to London University. I want to go live in America.
I just want to drop out.
So I want to
To
do,
be perfectly honest, I don't want to go to college and I don't want to go to university. I just want to go live my free life. I want to go get my camping. I want to go travel. I want to go and farm. And I just want to go straight into work. But I think I'm going to do an apprenticeship in mechanics, so then I can do up in camping and then I can just say hello to the world. Okay, carry on.
I want to do online school so bad. Literally, I want to do it so bad. I sent my mum a whole PowerPoint.
On why I want to do it.
Throw it at me though. Biggest regret?
The fringe.
Basically, Maddie was at mine. It was just sat there watching a movie. And she goes,
I want a fringe.
I want a fringe. So she goes downstairs and cuts herself a fringe. Get out.
Whip it out.
Get your fringe out.
I'll get you a little strand. I'll give you a taster.
So this is Maddie's fringe.
You can't really see it. It's so grown out.
And she's not really a fan of it.
I haven't been for a
biggest
while.
regret. What's my biggest regret? Not starting YouTube?
Yeah. Earlier.
How did you get into makeup?
So basically what I did was one day...
You don't like makeup really, do you?
No.
Even though I bought you the Life's a Drag palette and you just...
I use it sometimes. I did clown makeup with...
Basically, how did I get into makeup? I don't even know, like I get asked this quite a lot. And the fact, like when I was younger, I wanted to cover like dark circles. And what I did to do that...
You didn't even have dark circles, you were about 12.
Yeah, I know, but I still
You
wanted
don't
to.
even get on top.
So what I would do, what I'd do is get a burn coloured eyeshadow and just layer it. Like layer after layer after layer.
Bone colour.
Yeah. And just put
Skin
Yeah, it's called burn coloured. Put it on your brow bone.
Oh, okay.
And I just layer it. I'd put like 45 layers under my eye.
Oh, I used to put white face paint on my face and go to school, and I used to have dots on my face. I don't know why.
Did you actually?
Primary, yeah. I used to think it looked real nice.
Inspired you to do makeup? Nikki's tutorials. 100%.
So we.
Fave ginger.
I think it's Schmeals.
Schmeals.
Not too sure. Not too sure about Nick.
Definitely Schmeals.
Schmeals.
What phone do you have? I have iPhone 7 Plus. And Maddie
Has a Samsung.
switched to a Samsung.
I have a Samsung S9 Plus with a crack in it. Oh!
You're gonna give people like an ear disease.
Ooh, don't want to see my messages.
Favourite colour? What's your favourite colour?
I can't see it. Favourite colour?
Okay, well my favourite colour.
I don't know.
My favourite colour is pastel yellow.
Blue. Blue. I think.
I love the colour yellow, but it has to be like a pastel yellow.
Like pastel yellow.
Try to get a photo of pastel yellow.
Yeah.
We've just had our mock. This has taken me ages to eat this bloody burger.
We like to eat Zoe. Zoe is our mate.
Okay. We've just had our mock exams. Did you do? What did you do today?
I don't bloody know. I did biology lower paper because I'm dumb.
I did higher paper. Don't really know why. That was a bad choice. Like really bad choice.
Did you get to choose?
Yeah. No other classes got to choose apart from our class.
We did not get to choose.
It's because we had Mr. He was like, yeah, ladies, like choose. Plus, we're his favourite class. So.
Are you actually? Mr. loves me. What's your favourite animal?
I don't know, like a horse.
Really?
Horse. Horse.
I like goats.
Maddie's gonna live on the edge of a cliff when she's older with a fainting goat called Gary.
Got it. Got it.
Gary the goat. What was I about to say? What were we talking about before? Mocks.
Yeah.
I had the second part to my physics higher today, and it's fair to say that I've
Failed.
because it just did not go well. Be sociable. Favourite places to get clothes? Dollars Kill. 100% Dollars Kill.
Oxfam.
Maddie's a charity shop girl. I love Dollars Kill so much.
I love Oxfam so much. You can just get a load of bargains in there.
Everything's 50p. But it's going to a good cause, so Maddie hates it. She's like, oh, it's so weird.
No, I don't
It's just
hate
so
it.
good. I'm quite a fan of it.
I'm like, it's okay. Like some things are okay,
Hey.
but dinosaur earrings?
Really? Really? Where are you going?
I don't know. I'm just gonna show them the outfit of the day.
OTD.
Look at my booty.
What accent is that?
I don't know.
Can you do Scottish? Scottish.
I'm from Scotland. I like Haggis. I can do Wales.
How do you do it? I could do Wales.
I like Welsh cakes.
I like Welsh cakes.
Or I can do an Australian. Good night, mate.
Australian. Bondi Saints.
I like Bondi
Bondi
Saints.
Saints.